Hello everyone. Welcome to our English story. This video will help kids and beginners learn English in a fun and easy way. If you like stories, cute characters, and learning English, please like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun English stories. Now, let's start our adventure.
Hi, Fluff! Today, we're exploring the forest.
Ooh, I love adventures!
Wow, this forest is amazing!
Let's go!
Look at all the sparkles!
Yay!
Look, a treasure map Matsing Eater tray! Every time we find something in nature, we say its name in English. Tree, like your hair, taller and grrr. I wish I could fly too, but no wings needed. Oh no, the map is blurry. What do we do?
Don't worry, nature's teaching us tree, bird, leaf. They're our guide.
Wow, the treasure isn't gold, it's...
Words?
Yes! Each hellos with every word, the world turns green.
I can't find the path on this map.
Don't worry, we'll find it.
You're right, this way. Look, the map shows the way.
Ooh, adventure time. Let's go!
Wow, it's magic! Look at all the letters! So pretty! Let's catch them! Yay! Wow, it's opening! Look, a glowing orb!
Pretty! Hello, friend. Learn! Yes, let's learn.
Look, it's my English book!
Ooh, shiny book. Hee, yes.
Let's go see the sunset!
Yay, adventure!
Look at the sun! It's so beautiful!
I know!